Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop video in CapCut PC. But before that, if you don't know what is CapCut, it is a popular and user-friendly video editing app in which it offers a wide range of features such as streaming, cutting, transition, and also cropping, making it ideal in creating a short form content for social media. So now to start, just simply open your CapCut and simply upload here first the video that we're going to edit or crop in here. So just click the import button right here and choose on your computer files the video that we're going to edit. And after uploading it, you should be able to see here the result. So from here, you can start playing it before adding it to your timeline or simply dragging it directly in our timeline below. And once done, you can now proceed by playing it to see what it looks like and start choosing which part of the video we want to crop. But let's say we want to crop the whole video, just click this crop option right here. It will show you by doing so, we can start cropping it with different kind of sizes, such as for the square sizes 16 by 9 and many more. So you should be able to see a pop-up window, but at this point it is not visible. So as you can see, we've now successfully changed here the sizes. And that also depends on what kind of ratio of the video you're creating, such as if it is for Instagram Reels, YouTube video, and many more. And after successfully cropping the video, you could also start dragging it on the corner in here to make it fill all of this gap. Or you can choose here the right sizes that you prefer. And once done, you can also add another kind of animation and also an effect, text, and any other features in here or editing rules that you can navigate. But once done, just click the export button on the top right to save the changes. But basically, this is where you can find the crop option that you could also navigate. And overall, that is just basically how you can crop video in CapCut PC.